Welcome back to Michelle's STEM Journey. I'm Michelle and I'm here today with another AMC Problem of the Week video. This week's video comes from the year 2024, 10B, Problem 11, and it deals with geometry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. The problem states, in the figure below, WXYZ is a rectangle with WX is equal to 4 and WZ is equal to 8. Point M lies X on line XY. Point A lies on line YZ, and the angle WMA is a right angle. The areas of triangle WXM and WAZ are equal. What is the area of triangle WMA? So we know that WX is 4 and WZ is 8. And so that means that XY would be 8 and then ZY is 4. So we also can figure out that triangle WXM and triangle MAY, these two are similar because they both have a right angle. And since WMA is a right angle, and that means that these two triangles are similar. So that means that their sides could form proportions. So WX over MY is equal to XM over YA. So the long side over the long side on the other triangle is equal to the proportion with the short side of one triangle over the short side of the other triangle. And then we can plug in what we already know. We know that WX is 4 over MY we don't know, so we're just going to let it be MY. This is equal to XM, which we don't know, over YA, which we also don't know. But this can be further simplified because we can figure out that MY is just 8 minus XM, because we want to make it so that there are more of the same lines that we're referring to. So XM, this is equal to XM over YA is the same thing. It's 4 minus ZA. So this is what we're left with. Now we only have two unknown lines. But it also tells us that triangle WXM and WAZ are equal. So now we're referring to WXM and then WZA. These two, the area of these two are equal. So that means that base, which is XM times height, WX is equal to the base, so ZA times WZ. And then we can substitute some of the information that we already know. 4XM is equal to 8ZA. So dividing 4 over, we get XM is equal to 2ZA. And then I'm going to plug this into this equation right here. We get 4 over 8 minus 2ZA is equal to 2ZA over 4 minus ZA. And now here comes it's not tricky, but it's just like a hack, I guess. Instead of solving this out, because there's no way to solve out this equation because it's one equation with two variables. But I am going to reduce the left side. I'm going to divide everything by 2 to get 2 over 4 minus ZA. This is equal to 2ZA over 4 minus ZA. And we see here that the denominator is the same. They're both 4 minus ZA. So that means, and then the numerator it's 2 on the left side, and then on the right side is 2 times ZA. Because these two are equal, this implies that ZA must be equal to 1. And now if we know that ZA is equal to 1, plugging that in here, XM would be equal to 2 times 1, which is just 2. So we know XM is equal to 2. and the ZA is 1. And now we're going to find out the area of triangle WMA. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem for this. Starting off with triangle WXM. WM, so the hypotenuse, is equal to a squared plus b squared, the hypotenuse squared. So it'd be 2 squared, which is 4, plus 4 squared, which is 16. So this is 20. So WM is the square root of 20. And then same for triangle MAY. So MA squared would be 8 minus 2, which is 6. 6 squared is 36, plus 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3 squared is 9. Add this up to get 45. So MA is the square root of 45. And now that we have the legs, we can solve for the area because it's just base times height, because this is a right angle. So it'd be the square root of 20 times the square root of 45 times 1/2. I'm going to simplify this by taking out a 4 for the square root of 20. So it'd be 2 times the square root of 5 times 3 times the square root of 5 times 1/2. This gives us 2 times 36 times 5 times 1/2 is 30 times 1/2, which is 15. So our answer would be C, 15.